Hey, what's up, family? Hope you guys are having a phenomenal start to your day. Now, before we get started, hey, hit that like and subscribe button, okay? It helps get my videos out there into the YouTube algorithms, all right? Now, I want to talk about a couple of options I traded yesterday. But before I start, I want to give a word out of one of my favorite books, The Greatest Salesman in the World. And it states that today I will master my emotions. It is one of nature's tricks. Little understood that each day I awaken with moods that have changed from yesterday. Yesterday's joy will become today's sadness, yet today's sadness will grow into tomorrow's joy. Inside me is a wheel constantly turning from sadness to joy, from exaltation to depression, from happiness to melancholy. Like the flowers, today's full bloom of joy will fade and wither into despondency. Yet I will remember that as today's dead flowers carries a seed of tomorrow's bloom, so too does today's sadness carry the seed of tomorrow's joy. Now, family, when it comes to investing, you must be a master of your emotions. Another favorite book of mine, Trading at His Own, talks about trading and investing being almost 85% psychological. All right, psychological. And so when it comes to this game, and also when it comes to life, we must be able to master our emotions. Okay. Now, family, yesterday I jumped into a couple of SPY call options based on the sentiment of the market. The market was trending pretty good. And so, I just did a quick couple of snipes, jumped into a 380 call option, put 2,000 in, cashed out to 2,298. I had another call option in there, which was $1,822, cashed out $1,980 for a profit of $390. And so again, family, when it comes to trading these options, it is important that we develop, clear and concise exit strategies. Now, some people may put an option in there and let it ride. So depending on the type of option, depending on the sentiment of the market, sometimes I may go long on certain options, but with these options expiring within a few weeks, they're very, very volatile. And as we saw yesterday, the market opened $5 in the red. Right, it opened $5 in the red, and so if I would have placed these options the day before, and it opened $5 in the red, I would have been down, 50-60%. And then if I would have held, I would have eventually broke even, right? Because they did recover towards the end of the day, so I would have broke even. And so that's why it's important with this market conditions. You never know what could happen with the movement of the price action of these stocks, because the market is so erratic right now. But, ultimately, we know when it comes to the market is trending down, right? It's trending down, but we're going to have highs and we're going to have lows. We're going to have highs and we're going to have lower lows. We're going to get back to some highs and we're going to have lower lows. So as of right now, family, it appears that we are in a groove now where we are getting back to that 20 SMA, which is the white line, right? I don't know how far we can get above that, but we may bounce above that, or it may hit us with some resistance, and then we may push back down further. Okay, so again, based on the sentiment of the market, I actually placed some long put options expiring in 2023, 2024, because I know ultimately the market is going down. But in the meantime, I'm also placing call options that I'm going to place at certain parts of the day, and I plan on closing out those options before the end of business, because I don't know what will happen when the market is over, right? When the market is closed and after hours trading, is a hedge fund gonna sell 1 million shares of SPY? I don't know what they're gonna do. No one knows what they're gonna do. So ultimately, what we want to do is we want to make sure we are ready for whatever happens. Okay, because whenever you have those huge sell-offs like that, somebody's just dumping, closing out some of their positions. Okay. All right, now, family, when we take a look at the hourly chart, we can see that on the hourly level, we have been trending up nicely. We got strong action on the MACD, but remember, Remember, we got to be patient. We got to be patient because what goes up must come down. Now, how far we will continue to go up, that remains to be seen. But as of right now, we have a lot of momentum coming into the SPY. Nice green bars on the MACD, nice green bullish candles. And it appears that we may have a little bit more room to run. We may have some more room today, but we're going to continue watching because, again, we can open up in the red similar to this day right here, right? Similar to yesterday. We could have nice run up, nice gap down, right? But we did fully recover. We got nice momentum coming into the play. And so we're going to continue watching and see how things play out. And if we get a nice crossover on this 8 of the 8 SMA crosses over to 20 and we get that 20 trending up, that could be a nice positive sign. But remember, we're not going to go up for too much longer because we're going to have that push back down because the economy sucks and we are trending down long term. Okay, family, we're going to have to wait. We're going to have to wait and see how things happen. See how things play out today. Let's take a look at the 3-minute chart. Again, we take a look at this 3-minute chart here. So again, we had a nice run up yesterday. Again, you know, I jumped in back here and I rolled that thing up. I saw this candle. I sold, closed out of my positions. I made my profit and I lived to fight another day. Of course, I could have stayed in and I could have made a little bit more money, but as of right now, I'm taking my profits. I'm happy with my gain. I exceeded my daily target of 250. I'm winning for today and I will live to fight another day, family. Now, I hope this video added some value to you. We're going to wait and see how things play out. We're going to look for bearish candles. We're going to look for bullish candles. We're going to see how the candles bounce off the 20 SMA, or will it fall below the 20 SMA on this 3-minute chart today? And hopefully we might find some opportunities where we could ride this thing back down, or if it bounces off that 20 SMA, ride it, continue riding it on up. All right, now family, please, hey, if you like the information, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.